Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you're looking for a fitted tank top, this video just might be for you. So this is a tank top, as you can see here. I think they might come in different colors. This is obviously in black, and from a material standpoint, you can see it's a little sheer, but that's when you're wearing it, you can't even tell. Personally, I enjoy a little bit more of a lighter tank top feel. I also don't like the deep cut tank tops that come way down here. I like something that kind of comes a little bit high up on the back and is just a little shallow here, and the neckline also covers a little bit more of the chest this way, and it hugs the armpit area this way. Just preference, just preference. This one is fitted, so it has a little bit more of a fitted feel to it. So you can kind of see how it fits. It's definitely a form fitting, but it's not a compression tank top where it's like sucking you in and it's like super, super tight, but it definitely is a light, but yet fitting feel. The length on it definitely is a little bit on the longer side. So from the waist, this would be like the waist. It definitely comes down, as you can see there, it comes down, maybe 6 or 7 inches below the old waist. And it is very breathable, as I mentioned before, and also from a shrinking standpoint. So that's always a big concern, especially when we're dealing with cotton. This has already been washed, it's already been worn, and surprisingly, the shrink on it wasn't that much. And from a sizing standpoint, it's pretty much right on point. So I didn't really look at the chart that comes with this particular listing as far as the sizing chart, because they just usually don't work for me. But from an extra large standpoint, so this is extra large from an example, so you can kind of get an idea from a fit. So if you have an athletic build, this might kind of wrap your mind around the sizing. Hopefully this answers any question you might have about this tank top, and we'll talk to you soon.